New YUNGBLUD album just dropped. It's called Weird. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the title track. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more from this artist. Enjoy. So the intro, verse, and post-chorus are all made up of two chords, the first of which is a B major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the second fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the fourth fret. And then next is a E major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, your ring finger on the second fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the first fret of the G string. And then back to the B major chord. And we're going to play these chords while palm muting, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of three chords, the first of which is an A flat minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the fourth fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the sixth fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the sixth fret of the D string. Next is a G flat major chord. So you're going to bar the second fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the fourth fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the fourth fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the third fret of the G string. And then last is the E major chord, which we already learned. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now, the last part I want to show you is the lead after the chorus. It starts on the 6th fret of the G string, then 8th fret G string, then you're going to do that 2 more times, then 6th fret G string, then 9th fret D string, then you're going to do that 2 more times, then 6th fret G string, 9th fret D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Weird. Like I mentioned, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more from this artist. Thanks.